Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. Which week is going on, and the temperature gets up here with all this song cause I love Ollie. He has been here numerous times on Going Guitar, so it's very nice to cover one of his songs called Simple, and it's because of you, Dark Voyager. You wished for this song Simple, and like Ollie usually does, he keeps it very simple when it comes to chords. They are four chords here in the song. They're rolled in the same way through the entire song. You have this melody, not the easiest. It's not that beginner friendly. You can just grab a guitar for 5 minutes and just do it. You have to get comfortable with it, but you can start with strumming and learn that way. Yeah, enough of chit chat. Let's go into this tutorial, and we're gonna use no need for any capo here. So no capo here, and four chords. We're gonna start with C and learn that one. It goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord is G. We're gonna do third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. A minor, and that will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And finally, we have the F chord. That's a bar chord. We place the index finger on the first fret. You push down all strings as hard as you can, and then you go to add third A, third D, and second G. And there you have the four chords, and that is how it rolls through the entire song. We have two different styles, like I said, melody, strumming. We'll come to strumming soon. Let's bite the melody first, and we're gonna do it chord by chord, starting with C. And you will see here that it's very similar patterns here in this song, so it actually sounds harder than it is. You will just have to learn this pattern, and then it kind of flows pretty easy, in my opinion, after a while. So let's start with C, and I hold the chord as it is and play this. Okay, so you're gonna play 2 times on the 3rd fret A string, then first B, open G, first B again, and open G. Then comes 3rd A, 2nd D, 3rd A, first B, 3rd A, and open G. Alright, so slowly it goes like this. And sometimes when you hold chords like this and play certain notes, you slip here and there, no big problem, okay? You have it now and work towards that. And if you play one note wrong here and there, doesn't hurt too much because it's a lot going on here, so that will not kill the total sound or so. And just try to find back and try to aim at this, okay? And you will be better and better and better. But if you slip here and there, no problems, all right? And I give you single notes here. Sometimes you can pick more than just one note. Supported strings around, if you hold a full chord as I do, that will be even better actually sometimes. So when I play this, I play perhaps a couple of strings sometimes, like actually 3 strings there. So from the actual chord, it will sound great anyway. So just want to pinpoint that. Now over to the next chord, the G. And what you need to hold here is simply the 3rd fret E string in the bass. Okay? It goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with 2 times on the 3rd fret E string, then open B, open G, then open B again, and open G. Then 3rd E, open D, 3rd E, open B, 3rd E, and open G. Slowly. Alright, then we move on to the A minor part, and I hold the chord as it is here, the full chord, and play this part. Okay, so you're gonna play open A 2 times, then first B, second G, first B, second G, open A, second D, open A, first B, open A, and open G. All right, so slowly. And finally we have the F. This differs a little bit in the end of this kind of pattern, because so far we had pretty much the same patterns here, just different grips now, and then it will happen a little different there. But anyway, we're gonna start like this. Alright, so you're gonna play 2 times on the first fret E string, then first B, and I hold the chord as it is, as you can see, then second G, first B, second G, first E string in the bass, third D, second G, first B, second G, and open G. So the difference here is we don't work that much with bass notes in the end here. We play now the G string instead in the end. So anyway, slowly it goes like this. And then you go back to C and play that. All right, so I'm gonna play for you some standard tempo. Actually can go a slower tempo first round and then speed up to a standard tempo in second round. Let's go. Alright, so that is what's going on. You can actually stay with this from the beginning till the end, but we want to have some fun as well, strumming. Alright, so let's go back to C. That's the first chord, and we're gonna play the strumming pattern, and that is exactly how the song starts when it sits there on a mountain or whatever he's sitting there in the music video. Is playing that strumming pattern, so it goes like this. Alright, so you play first 3 downs, you grab the C and play 3 downs. Okay, and then comes up, down, down, up, down. So up, down, short pause, and down, up, down. So 3 downs, up, down, down, up, down. 2, 3, up, down, down, up, down. 1, 2, 3, up, down, down, up, down. Alright, so you're gonna play one of these strumming patterns per chord, of course, in the same order. C1, G1, A minor 1, and freaking F1. Let's go. Alright guys, that was Ollie's simple song, and that was especially for you, Dark Voyager, the darkest of them all. Thank you for being here on Goring Guitar, cool of you, and continue to interact with me here and spread the word. We have Wish Week, and we will have that in future as well. So if you have your song, you wanted to learn it since you were 3.5 and saw a guitar for the first time, then you have the chance right now. And yeah, hope to see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.